Hi, I'm Gayatri Shivakumar. In this video, I'll be showing you about online whiteboard BitPaper. BitPaper is a learning space where a teacher and student can write and interact online in real time. So we will see how to use the BitPaper whiteboard. So you don't have to download any setup. Just you have to go to browser and you can straight up create a paper. So you have to put a create paper. You open bit paper and then create a paper and you get a paper like empty paper you will get. And right now what I did is I can draw. You can draw using bit paper. So it has toolbars. So like it has a pen, color, pen, color settings, pen where you can adjust the width, and you have an eraser, and then you have a select button there, and then you have a screen mover screen mover then you have a shapes, and then you have a text box where you can include text inside the paper. So I created this with freehand. So even you can just give a try. It's so fun and it allows you to express your thoughts effectively. And then you can add paper, like you have an option like add paper. So you can add paper. And next, another option is you have a grid here. So you can change the background color. And one good thing is you can draw vertical and horizontal line spaces in this to make for making a graph. So you can adjust the vertical spaces so that it will change with accordingly, and even horizontal space can be changed accordingly. And you can change the color of the line too. So this paper can be used as a graph paper. So like anyone who wants to draw a graph. So you have a shapes here. You can take a line, draw a line. I mean, and draw a graph and explain for students. So this way, like it's helpful. Another option is like you can just draw vertical lines for students to write notes. Like you can just type this text. Like so, we can type. You can have a ruled kind of paper, and then another one advantage is like you can just take a screenshot. I mean, like a screenshot and paste anything onto the straight onto the bit paper. So like here what happened is like we can use the text box to write, or even you can use a freehand writing also. So here you can just write like you can see like we can just write like we can screen share the screen, and the students can answer for this question. So this way like it is very useful for teachers to teach online using this whiteboard. And next feature is like you can like insert figures and give like option of like coloring. So even that option is there, and you can include the text boxes. There are multiple figures inside. So like you have a tag box. So like you can just take it and just place it. So this way we can effectively communicate. And other option is like we can play like we can play tic tac toe anywhere. Like you can just create some games online, like online you can play. And it has an option of audio video chat. So using that we can just easily teacher and the students can communicate well using that option. Also what we can do is we can move this one, we can scale it, we can rotate it, and we can scale it. So these options can be used for while teaching. And there are keyboard shortcuts for increasing the speed of teaching. So with time you will get that experience. And you have a maximized writing space. So like I have this moving, I mean, moving back. You can just move, and we have lots of screen. You just keep writing something somewhere here, something here. So after completing one sheet, like you have to go to another new sheet to continue some equations, like it might extend. So you can just move the screen. You have a option like scrolling of screen. And so hence we can see like we can save papers actually, and we can continue working on it later as well. We can just save this paper. We can save the paper, or we can even create PDF papers for later references. Hence, You can also use this when you are in Zoom calls as well, for writing and showing, like expressing your thoughts, what you wanted to express. And hence, right now, from this video, we just saw like how this big paper is a simple tool and has options needed for teaching lessons creatively. And that's all for now. Thanks for watching.